The Wa High Court has sentenced Elisha Mahama to life imprisonment for the murder of Eric Johnson, the CEO of Royal Cosy Hills Hotel, also known as Jirapa Dubai. Mahama, a former worker at the hotel, was found guilty after a trial that lasted several months. Two other accused persons, Belinda Miller and Kweku Kankumbata, were acquitted and discharged. Principal State Attorney Saheed Abdul Shakur led the prosecution and explained how Mahama carried out the attack.
When the police came, they found footprints, good footprints and fingerprints in the hotel. So they immediately arrested 10 of the workers of the hotel, took sample footprints and ran it by the what it already existed, and it was discovered that Elisha Mahama's footprints and fingerprints matched what was in the man's room and was the blood-stained footprints we picked.
Though the exact means by which Mahama accessed the room believed to be secured with a master key remains unclear, the jury found the overall evidence convincing.
Whilst he was in the presidential lodge, he made a call to his girlfriend, that is the second accused person that was acquitted. He called him a number of times. But when he told his girlfriend he was going to buy food and left, when he came back around 12 to 1, it was there that the girl discovered that he had a cat. When the girl asked him, he couldn't explain. When we confronted him with the cat, he said that he was cutting vegetables and he cut himself. But he was right-handed. So we're wondering how you cut vegetables as a right-handed person and you cut your right hand. We're of the view that it would rather cut your left hand. So the medical people identified this as his defensive wound. So which means that deceased fought back. His victim fought back, but he was overpowered and killed.
Shakur says that uncertainty didn't weaken the prosecution's case. With the sentence delivered, Johnson's family say they are satisfied with the outcome, but Shakur believes the tragedy highlights an even broader issue, the importance of personal security, especially for influential figures.
Oh, the family is satisfied. The family have always believed that the man did the act. They are satisfied with what happened. But there are still a few unanswered questions. But for now, we are satisfied that the man who carried out the dastardly act, the heinous crime, is being convicted and sentenced. Who aided him is still out there. We still do not know. But we believe that justice has been done. We should take our personal security very, very seriously. And that in employing people, businessmen, in employing people, we should be able to look at their background. We should be able to check where they are coming from. What are their previous experience. All those things count.
Elisha Mahama will spend the rest of his life behind bars, but the legacy of Eric Johnson, who turned a dream into one of Ghana's top hospitality destinations, lives on.